So, what's up? COVID-19 again striking in India. Why? It's a game because of us. We are committing the lots of mistakes. That's why. It's not a normal disease. We must. It's a war, and if you wanna win against it, you must come together. And that if we are going market or somewhere else, we must keep a mask. We must keep a sanitizer, hand sanitizer. Use it. That's it. But we are not doing such a things. Government is not looking serious. Really, it's a big fault of government also. International flights, wow, again started. Why? There is no need of international flights. Even a national flights. Life is important, not only economy. Life is greater than the economy. And but according to government, I don't think that they are taking as serious as they should take it, because in morning they are putting a lots of rules. Keep a distance, use a mask, otherwise you will have to give money. But in other hand, there is elections are going on. There all the parties are doing the road shows and other things. And when you look, there are big crowd, and they are not wearing the mask. They are not using the social distance. So who is doing the mistake? Parties go. Political parties? No, I don't think that. It is the fault of Election Commission. They should not allow any political party to do the road show or rallies. If Congress will not do, BJP will not do, TMC will not do, or any political party will not do any rally or road show. So there is no effect. What is the important for the election? Voting. Without voting, there will be not an election. Okay, but without rally, it can be. So don't give the permission for the rally or road show. There are lots of ways. Social media or pamphlets or TV channels. Why you are keeping a single life in a danger for the election? You are giving a big speech on a stage. Can you give that same speech with that person those are sitting in front of you to listen you? No, because my life is important, but your life is not important, and it's political game. We think if the TMC will do the rally, so BJP will have to do. If BJP is doing the road show or rallies, so Congress will have to do. And suppose that there should not be any rally by any political party, so there can be a election. So it is the fault of, I think, that Election Commission. Big fault. They are not taking a single life, the importance of a single life. And who is in Election Commission? A person such you, such me, but they are not thinking about it. They must